Hi, my name is Breandan O'Hagan and I'll be running through the AD 870809. Description of problem. Contained within this DD it describes of a chemical reaction between atmospheric oxygen and volatile gases contained within the tire's inner lining. A result of this chemical reaction will cause an explosion within the tire that could lead to the failure of the tire, resulting in catastrophic consequences and the possibility of loss of life. Applicability. This AD applies to many different aircraft and many different models. Some of these aircraft manufacturers include Airbus, Boeing, British Aerospace, Lockheed, and McDonnell Douglas. An organization is able to comply with this AD by following the following steps. They must ensure that any brake tires do not contain more than 5% oxygen by volume. A suitable alternative to oxygen would be to use nitrogen. Placards must also be displayed on each wheel well or near each landing gear strut that do incorporate brake wheels. These placards will be displayed to inform any maintenance engineer to only inflate the tires with nitrogen. Both of these amendments must be completed within 180 days after the effective date of June 1st, 1987. A daily inspection will occur following this the implementation of these amendments to ensure that a 5% limit of oxygen is not exceeded. This AD did also not include any information about a service bulletin that is relative to the amendment performed.